안녕하세요. Hello K friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing very well. Recently I have a lot of kale in my refrigerator and I was wondering what to make with it. Then I thought of making kale namun, similar to spinach namun as a side dish. So I tried the kale namun. Guess what? My family loves it so much. Shall we make it together? Add 1 teaspoon of salt to boiling water. Adding salt will enhance the color of the kale. Put the kale in the boiling water. Start with the stems as they take longer to cook. Cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, transfer the blanched kale to cold water and rinse it once or twice. Drain the water. Cut the white parts of green onions in half and finely chop them. Also finely mince 2 cloves of garlic. Squeeze the blanched kale with your hands to remove excess water. Use half of it for the mild kale side dish and the other half for the spicy kale side dish. Cut the kale into 1-inch lengths. Place it in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of tuna fish sauce to enhance the flavor. This is the tuna fish sauce I used today. If you're a vegetarian or don't have a fish sauce, you can use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce instead. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of chopped green onions. Also add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of ground sesame seeds. When seasoning the kale, make sure to thoroughly mix it so that it doesn't clump and the seasoning is evenly distributed. If it's slightly bland, add a pinch of salt. Transfer to a serving bowl. Mild kale side dish is done. Spicy kale side dish. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of fermented soybean paste. Add half a tablespoon of red pepper flakes to add a bit of spiciness. You can also use gochujang, red pepper paste, instead of red pepper flakes for more spice kick. Add 1 tablespoon of ground sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped green onions, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you have a plum extract, add 1 teaspoon. If not, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. This is well squeezed kale. Slice it into 1-inch lengths. Place the sliced kale into the seasoning sauce that you prepared a little while ago. Likewise, when seasoning the kale, make sure to thoroughly mix it so that it doesn't clump and the seasoning is evenly distributed. If it's slightly bland, add a pinch of salt. Transfer to a serving bowl. Very simple and healthy kale side dishes are done. How to eat? You can simply eat it with rice, or you can place the kale side dishes on top of the rice and add a fried egg. Add about 1 teaspoon of gochujang and a little bit of sesame oil. Mix it well, then this will be kale bibimbap. My mouth is watering.
Wow, it tastes so good.
How was today's recipe? Kale is one of the healthy ingredients. And give it a try. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.